Good morning, everyone. I am Manishankar. Me with my fellow team members, Vaibhav and Preeti will be taking you through the e-background verification system that we have developed on the Ethereum blockchain platform. In the current system, applicant consults for the background check and provides the personal information. Third-party verification agency steps in, identifies the candidates, and do their investigation and provide the investigation report as required. The current process is centralized as it completely depends on the certificate issuing authority. It's manual. The process is completely manual as the verification is being done through either via phone, emails, or web forms. A lot of repetitive work will be done again if a new verification request is provided for the very same candidate. It is easy to tamper as multiple agencies are involved and multiple organizations may tamper with the work. It is costly and time consuming. Tedious and take a lot of time to onboard a candidate. Currently, it takes almost 2 weeks and a lot of money per candidate. Past employer verification. Turnaround time may be extended depending on the availability of the last employer. The complexities may even more if the past employer cease to exist. The problems being addressed. More than 7,500 organizations provide fake employment verification certificates these days. A paper certificate that looks exactly like the original can come for as less than rupees 2,000. 85% of HR professionals found fake information on candidate resumes. Nearly 45% of the employers said their biggest challenge was reducing time to hire. Now, Vaibhav will take you through the proposed solution.
Good morning, everyone. On our blockchain platform, eBGBS, primarily there are three stakeholders: employers, employees or candidates, and third-party verifying agencies, which are like vendors to us. First, user will be landed to the login screen. There, they can log in with their existing credentials, or they can click on register to register for a new account. So either they can register as an employee, employer, or register as a verification agencies. So for our demonstration purpose, we have already created some accounts. So let us see how what all actions a candidate can take. A candidate, on clicking BGV request, can respond to the BGV requests. On clicking my profile, he can view his profile details or can update these details. He can view the documents uploaded by him previously, or on clicking upload document tab, so they can upload a new document. So let me upload one new document here. Now on clicking this upload document button, so this document will be uploaded to the IPFS file server, which is a distributed file server, and the document hash is being stored on the blockchain. So once the document is uploaded, I can view a message, document uploaded. If I go back to view my document, so I can see offer letter is uploaded, and I'm not viewing this check mark because this document is yet to be verified. So on the upload document tab, there is one button, initiate verification request. So on clicking this button, verification request is initiated with the third party verifying agencies. So let me log in with third party verification agencies account to approve this profile. So as a third party verification agency, I can view the employee details. So all details are present here. I can view all the document. So if the document is pre-verified, I can view this check mark. If the document is not verified, so I can either verify it or I can reject it. So after verifying, so it will update the document status on the blockchain. So let me click on verify. So now I can see this document is verified. I can use this verify employee button to verify this particular candidate. So with this, the third-party verification agency's role is over. Now, as this candidate profile is verified, so a new employer or any employer can initiate a background verification request with candidate, and after approval, they can view. So let me log in as an employer. So as an employer, I can select candidate. I can send the background verification request. I can check the background request status, and I can get employee details. So until or unless my background verification request is not approved, so I cannot view the employee details. So let me click on this send BGV request. So it will initiate a background verification request over the blockchain. So now let me log in as a candidate to respond to this background verification request. As a candidate, I can select the employer. So I have two options. Either I can approve this background verification request or I can reject this request. So to approve, I can select what all documents I want my employer to view. Suppose I am selecting education, employment, Aadhaar, driving license, contact details. So as I have not selected PAN card and references, so my employer shouldn't be able to view my PAN card and reference email. I'm clicking on approve BGV request. So now let me log in as an employer. So as an employer, I can select employee or candidate. I can check the background verification request status. So it is approved now. I can click on get employee details. So it will show me all the details. As I have not checked the reference email, so I am not able to view the reference email, and I am not able to view my Aadhaar and PAN card here. If I click on any document, so I can view these documents. So by this, one cycle of background verification is completed. Now, my friend Mani will walk you through how our platform is beneficial to both employers and employees. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Vaibhav, for taking us through the proposed solution. Now I would like to explain the benefits of our platform. Pre-verified candidates. In an ideal scenario, candidates' background verification should kick in before getting onboarded to the company, but in the present system, the verification takes place only after the candidate is onboarded. In case of any irregularities found, the candidate needs to be fired and money invested so far is considered as a waste on the candidate. In our platform, the candidates get to register themselves and get pre-verified. The organizations get to pick pre-verified candidates. This is a win-win situation for both organization and candidates as they get a preference over the others. Only consented documents are visible to employers as the candidates get a privilege to share only the requisite set of documents instead of all the documents available on the platform. Eliminates credential fraud and misrepresentation of records as the platform serves as a single source of truth. No redundant work required. Once the candidate profile is verified and stored on the blockchain, the verified documents can be used again by any new organization, thus eliminating redundant repetitive work. These are the unique benefits of our platform. Thank you.